Good morning, everybody. I am Dominic with Rewired Iowa. We are going to be installing a new Generac generator. 2025 is a newer model, has a little bit of different functions, and it's a little bit different setup than what we're used to, but all in all, it's the same deal of hooking it up and making sure it works. And what we'll do is we'll ground it from here on up to here. And of course, this needs to be bonded to your neutral because this is our first point of disconnect now. And then we're going to torque them. Okay, number 4 right here looks like 45 torque inch per pound. So we'll be doing that just in a moment. And we'll go ahead while we get this tube locked. All right, guys, we are all finished up. As you can see, we have a newly installed generator. Has a little indicator right here, and this is our emergency shutdown. They have power back on, and they are happy as could be. So with that, everybody, we are signing out of Boone. We will see you guys on the next run. Have a good one.